by bringing him there, o sasabihin ng kasamahan mo, we will cite you in contempt for not responding. So that's when this gets blurry. He can choose not to respond because it could be a part of the strategy. This is why ang tanong ko, what is the role of the members?
The members
Yeah,
are
but
the
you know what? A
investigators.
person can choose not to respond. It is within the right of any person to choose not to respond because that is not a trial. Aren't you already crossing the line at this point? Ang pinapasabi na nyo are probable evidence, ha? Nandun na kayo eh. So, yan ang tanong ko. Okay, what if Attorney Poa refuses to respond? Can you cite him in contempt?
He has to cite the ground for refusing to respond.
Okay, so a
no?
possible response, I cannot respond because this will be part of the evidence in the upcoming trial. As a team, we have decided not to respond in this hearing. O paano kayo ngayon?
Because they are not recognizing the constitutionality of
Not
the proceeding.
necessarily.
Is that the
They
reason?
can say, we recognize this, but I am limited. I cannot give out details. O
Well,
paano yun?
it will depend on the members of the Justice Committee. May rules tayo in citing,
But how far can you go? Yan
resource
ang
persons
tanong.
in contempt. It
Okay.
will depend on how the justice members will be reacting to the failure or refusal of the resource person or the witness to respond.
Let's say you cite a person in contempt, i-detain nyo, ipapakulong nyo. Hindi pa trabaho na yan sa actual impeachment trial? Parang you are really acting like a court. That's my question. If you go this way,